Hello friends, this is Tanmoy Banerjee. Once again, welcome back to my art YouTube channel called Easy Learning Art with Tanmoy. And friends, today I'm very excited. You must be interested to know why I'm saying that I am so excited. Because friends, today I'm going to try my hand on something which is very new to me. I have never ever tried my hand on that particular thing. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to use in this video and what is the new thing to me. So friends, without doing any further ado, I will show you the thing. So this is the thing. This is nothing but canvas from Pantonic company. So today only I have got these all canvases from Flipkart, and the company name is Pantonic. I have never ever tried my hand on canvas, so this is the very first time I'm going to do something on canvas, and I'm going to use acrylic colors from Faber-Castell, which is my favorite company. So I'm going to use acrylic colors on canvas to draw something, to paint something for the first time. And the size of the canvas is 6 by 6. It is from Pantonic. Let's see what I'm going to do. Stay tuned till the end. I'm 100% sure you will have great fun, you will have great enjoyment if you are, if you are staying with me till the end of this video. And definitely there is something special going to happen. Let's see. I am done with my work, so I'm going to show you what I have done, what I have drawn, what I have painted on the canvas for the first time. I'll show you. So today is 25th January 2022, and tomorrow is a very special day. Tomorrow is our Republic Day, 26th January. So I have drawn something for the nation, for Republic Day celebration. Let's see what it is. Yep. Can you see this? So this is my first painting on canvas with acrylic color. I am very excited. I am very happy with the outcome, the way it came out. Actually, I was very scared. I was thinking, I was under impression that things might go in a different direction. It might go awry, but eventually it came out nicely. So I am very happy. So friends, if you are visiting my channel for the first time, you know what you are supposed to do, right? I'm not going to tell you every time. You have to subscribe to my channel, and you have to share my videos with your friends, family members, and whomsoever you want to, whomsoever you can share my video with them. And provided if you really like my work, and if you really like my work, then don't forget to give me a thumbs up also. So that is very important. Thumbs up, then subscription, and sharing. Sharing is the caring. If you don't share, you don't care, right? So share my videos with other people so that they can get to see my work and they can comment. You can also comment. If you want to advise something, definitely you are free to do that. Okay, you can give me a comment, honest comment, genuine comment, and that is always appreciated and accepted. Okay, on this note, I would like to say tata, bye bye, and wish you a very happy Republic Day. Celebrate the day with your friends, colleagues, family members. Wish everyone, because that is an important day in our history. Good night. Tata, bye bye.